how to understand Kalshi market outcomes and what settled means. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to explain how to understand Kalshi market outcomes and what it actually means when a market is marked as settled or paid out. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kalshi.com. So, once you open up a market, you can see that every market is built around a simple yes or no question. Once the real world event happens and the official data source confirms the result, Kalsi determines the final outcome of the market. This outcome will either be yes or no, exactly as defined in the market rules. There is no interpretation after the fact because the decision is based strictly on the written rules and the listed source. So you can go to timeline and payout. And then when you see that the market has been settled or paid out, it means the outcome has been officially decided and the payouts have been processed. At this point, trading is completely closed and you can no longer buy or sell contracts in that market. Settlement only happens after Kalshi verifies the event using the approved data source mentioned in the market rules. So it's important to understand the difference being in being market closed or being settled. So uh, a market can close to trading before the event outcome is known, which means you can't trade anymore, but it hasn't settled yet. Settlement happens later once the outcome is confirmed and finalized. So, in simple terms, the market outcome tells you whether the final answer was yes or no, and settled means the decision is final and payouts are complete. So always check the market rules and resolution details so you understand how and when a market will settle. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.